Video 21, Part 10A of 25, Importance of the Estimate Activity Durations Process. The objective of this video is to present the importance of the estimate activity durations process and the problems that arise when it is handled inappropriately. The estimate activity durations process is the fourth process in the project schedule management knowledge area and is related to the planning process group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. How important is the PMBOK estimate activity durations process to the planning process group? The estimate activity durations process in the PMBOK guide is critically important to effective project schedule management, and the reasons are as follows. 1. Foundation for realistic scheduling. The estimate activity durations process provides the time estimates needed to develop a realistic project schedule. Without accurate duration estimates, the schedule may be unrealistic, leading to delays or resource conflicts. 2. Major inputs to schedule development. The outputs of the estimate activity durations process feed directly into the develop schedule process, where activities are sequenced and the overall schedule is established. The estimate activity durations process helps in determining critical path, float, and milestones. 3. Resource and cost planning dependency. Duration estimates influence the allocation of resources, such as labor and equipment, and the estimation of costs. Longer durations may require more resources, increasing costs. 4. Risk management and contingency planning. The estimate activity durations process helps identify activities with high uncertainty, allowing for buffer time for contingencies. The estimate activity durations process supports what-if scenario and schedule risk assessments. 5. Stakeholder communication and expectations. The estimate activity durations process provides a basis for setting realistic deadlines with stakeholders. The estimate activity durations process avoids unrealistic commitments that can lead to project failure. 6. Integration with other processes. The estimate activity durations process is linked to the define activities, sequence activities, and control schedule. The estimate activity durations process ensures alignment between scope, resources, and timelines. What are the problems if the estimate activity durations process is not performed in the planning process group as required? If the estimate activity durations process is skipped or poorly executed in the planning process group, it can lead to severe project management issues. And the key problems that may arise are presented now. 1. Unrealistic schedules and missed deadlines. Without proper duration estimates, the project schedule is based on guesswork, leading to, first, overly optimistic timelines. Second, frequent schedule slippages and missed milestones. Third, increased pressure to crash the schedule, leading to burnout or quality issues. 2. Poor resource allocation and overloads. Inaccurate durations result in, first, under-allocation, with idle resources, or over-allocation, with burnout. Third, last-minute resource conflicts when tasks take longer than expected. Fourth, increased costs due to rush hiring or overtime. 3. Budget overruns. Incorrect duration estimates lead to, first, extended labor costs. Second, penalties for late delivery, if contract-based. Third, higher procurement costs, such as extended equipment rentals. 4. Ineffective risk management. Without proper estimation, we may have situations such as, first, schedule risks go unidentified, such as no contingency reserves. Second, no buffer for uncertainties, increasing the chance of critical path delays. Third, reactive firefighting instead of proactive mitigation. 5. Stakeholder dissatisfaction and loss of trust. One important problem with unmet deadlines is to damage credibility with, first, clients, due to late delivery. Second, team members, due to unrealistic expectations. Third, sponsors, due to cost overruns. 6. Poor decision-making in project control. Without baseline duration estimates, we may have situations such as, first, earned value management becomes meaningless. Second, schedule variance and cost variance cannot be accurately measured. Third, corrective actions are based on flawed data. 7. Scope creep and quality compromises. Rushed work due to unrealistic timelines leads to, first, cutting corners to meet deadlines, which may result in lower quality. Second, unapproved scope changes, resulting in just get it done action. 8. Legal and contractual issues. In contractual projects, inaccurate estimates may lead to, first, breach of contract claims. Second, disputes over liquidated damages. In conclusion, the estimate activity durations process is essential because it directly impacts the project's schedule feasibility, resource planning, risk management, and stakeholder satisfaction. Poor estimates can lead to missed deadlines, cost overruns, and project failure, making this a high-priority planning activity. Skipping or rushing the estimate activity durations process severely jeopardizes schedule reliability, cost control, and overall project success. As a final message, proper estimation is non-negotiable for effective planning process group execution. Finishing this video, we will have in the next videos. 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many other videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.